This guy makes £6,000 monthly by selling crazy simple digital products, and guess what? He just started doing this less than 6 months ago. Today, I'm gonna spill all the juicy details and show you exactly what he does and how you can leverage the power of AI and ChatGPT so you can kickstart your journey to financial freedom. So sit back, subscribe, relax, and in just 3 steps, I'll show you some simple tips and tricks that will make the entire process a breeze. I did some serious digging and I discovered this mind-blowing yet simple Etsy store that makes some serious bank selling digital art online. With the help of allura.io, we can see that the store makes on average over £6,000 every month, and overall it has made over £34,000 in less than 6 months. This proves that anyone, and yes, even you, can achieve some seriously impressive results in no time. This is what I call passive income and the most effortless AI side hustle you can start right now. We're gonna head over to leonardo.ai, which not only offers a free plan but also has an incredible layout that is easy to navigate. So use the link in the description to create a free account and join me as I show you how to come up with the best prompts that you can use to come up with some cool digital art pieces. Once you're in, navigate to where it says AI image generation, and here you can add your prompts to generate some amazing digital art for your store. To kickstart some ideas, we shall use ChatGPT to get some prompts, and the prompt I used for ChatGPT is: give me an image generation, comma separated, adjectives-filled prompt for a highly detailed and colorful graffiti illustration of Spiderman wearing headphones. You can use the same prompt, or better yet, come up with a better one by adding more words to this prompt and playing around with ChatGPT to make your prompt unique. So now copy the prompt and paste it into leonardo.ai. I added more things into my prompt, like amazing artists and illustrators like Greg Rutkowski, Brian Froud, Wadim Kashin, and John William Waterhouse, just to make the digital art look more realistic. And don't worry, I'll leave the prompt in the description so you can play around with it. I also added some negative prompts, which is a way to specify things that you don't want to see in your art, like nudity, 2 heads, missing fingers, deformed body parts, and so on. I'll also add this in the description so you can play around with it. Once you're done adding your prompts, you can play around with the other settings, but I love to keep everything simple, and boom, this is what I managed to generate. Looks amazing, right? You can always scroll around in the home tab to get inspiration of what to create and different prompts you can play with. Now, once you are done generating your prompt, let's head over to Canva and add a watermark to your art so people don't steal it and upload it as their own. So just add a heading text over it, write your company or store name, and reduce the opacity, and you're done. Now head over to Etsy or Redbubble and set up an online store. I suggest doing both to maximize your earnings, but I personally recommend Redbubble since it's better for selling artwork, as it offers a wide range of printing and framing options and handles all your order fulfillment and shipping. So on Redbubble, just click on Start Selling, select Artist Sign Up, and fill in your details and click Sign Up. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Once you're in, click on Add New Work, Upload New Work, and upload your art with the watermark on it. And that's it. Again, remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, need further assistance, or need tips on how to promote your store to get more sales, don't hesitate to subscribe and comment below, and I'll make sure to make a separate video about it. I'll make sure to reply to every comment, ensuring no one is left out of this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.